YouTube, Fix Pick and Lock. It's been a couple of months since I've last picked a lock, so I've finished recovering. I'm hanging in. I've got a lock here that Peter Platten sent me, boggy, and I'm going to have an attempt to pick it. It's a 5-pin. Right, so as most of you know, I ended up in hospital and had a burst gallbladder. Yeah, great fun. So I come out of hospital, had me clips out, and 2 days later they all split open and I got an infection, and it's been this long for it healing up. Antibiotics and God knows what. There we go. That was, by the way, as a chop pick that I made. It's half diamond with a slight raise on the end, and I'm using one of Dark Arts swoops. Right, so there we are. Now I'm going to try and cut this quick so I don't hang about for you. Long way. That's a standard. Now, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's 6 dropped out there, so I've got a feeling that one of these pins at the end has gone all the way through. Let's have a look. Yep. Right, so that goes there, I think. And we'll just check this. Right, so that's ball, the second one. That's a standard. Another spool, and that's what's happened there. That one has dropped all the way through, and that's from no standard. Well, I'll take a picture of that and I'll show you at the end. Yep. Right, so that was a quickie for me. I'm going to try and get in every week from now on. So it's Fix Pick and Lock. Thanks for watching, thanks for hanging in there, thanks for not leaving me, and I'll catch you on the next one.